Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Positive People Commission and I'm your host Rana Muhammad Kashif. I welcome all my viewers on my channel, and what we are going to learn today is a very important function in MS Excel, that is flash fill. That is a magical function in Microsoft Excel. What flash fill actually does: flash fill automatically fills your data when it senses a pattern, and it does it so quickly and simply without you having to do a thing, but only provide an example of what you want. So Excel Flash Fill is a special tool that analyzes the information you are entering and automatically fills data when it identifies a pattern. So it is pretty amazing. Flash Fill in Microsoft Excel was introduced in 2013 version, and it is also available for the later versions as well. So Flash Fill can easily cope with multiple tasks. It is very useful for quick data entry, data cleaning, and summarizing, and it has many more dimensions that I've just said. If you are curious to learn this amazing Microsoft Excel feature, then watch this video till end, because I will be explaining flash fill with 5 different examples. And one more thing, if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's jump into it. So here's the first example. In example number 1, I'll be joining different text with the help of flash fill in Microsoft Excel. So where is actually flash fill? If you go to data tab here, and in data tools there is flash fill function, so we will use it. And what flash fill does, or how we can use flash fill, is that we have to train Microsoft Excel that what we want. So what I want the name along with the designation in a single cell. In this example I have these two things in separate columns. So what I will do, that I will write first example, Hamad Raza, assistant director. So what I told Microsoft Excel, that I want name, comma, a space, and the designation name. And if I press Ctrl plus E, which is the shortcut key for flash fill, and there you see, amazing. It's a magic in Microsoft Excel. Excel can be trained as well to find a certain pattern. Excel fills out the remaining values, and it understands that what you actually required. In the first instance, I only wrote name along comma with a designation, and it automatically listed all the data which I required in the same pattern. So you see, it is pretty amazing. And let's move on to the next example, where I explain that how it can sense the pattern using some digits. So what I want, that out of this CNIC number there is a specific pattern here. I want only first 4 digits. So without using any formulas, I will write 37405, which are the first 4 digits of the first example. Press enter and then Ctrl plus E. So you see, it enlisted all the first 4 digits of these entries. So you see, it quickly picks up the pattern which I want, and it quickly learns from the example that I have provided initially. So let's move on to a little bit complex, and in this part I want only the last digit of this CNIC number, and I want that if this last digit is an even number, then list it as a female, and if it is an odd number, then list it as a male. So this is the problem at hand. So if I write 0 and thus press Ctrl E, you see it incorrectly recognizes the digits. What I wanted, that the last digit, but it enlisted me the 4th digit. If you see, 1 2 3 4 0 0 0 and 9. So what I will do, that I will give Excel more than one example, so that it can learn that what I actually want. So along with 0 I would also write 1, and then I will press Ctrl plus E, and now you see that it learned that I wanted the last digit. So you see 0, 1, 2, 8, 5, 1, 6, 2, 7, 3 are the last digits. So if I say that this last digit, if it is an even number, then list it as female, and if it is an odd number, then call it as a male. So you see, out of numbers we can identify patterns and we can decode the things that are behind those patterns. So these were two pretty simple examples. Now let's move on to example number 3 and 4. In example number 3, I will elaborate about proper capitalization task. So in this example, you see, I need proper capitalization, but in these entries there is no proper capitalization. First three digits are in uppercase, first three letters are in uppercase, then Karachi K is small, and you see there is no proper capitalization. So what I will do, I will let know Excel that I want proper capitalization. What that means, that I want only first letter to be capital, and if there is any proper noun, the name of city here, I want that first letter to be capital as well. So what I will do, I will write an example for Excel. A and then B and C small, comma, K capital of Karachi, and then press Ctrl E. So simple. You see that Excel quickly learned that what I wanted from that example. And also the scale type, if you see, there is also no proper capitalization in this column as well. So let me write BPS all in capital and then press Ctrl E. So you see that it has learned that all the letters need to be in uppercase, so it listed all the column in uppercase. So let's now move on to the example number 4, which is data extraction from a single cell. Data extraction from a single cell. So the problem at hand is that sometimes we receive data entry like this, that dates have been merged along with text. So we want only those dates. So what we will do, we will let know Microsoft Excel that we only want this date. So if I press Ctrl plus E, you see it didn't learn pretty well, so it also returned the text along with that. So what I will do, I will also enter another date, so let Excel know that what I actually want. Ctrl E. So you see that it only enlisted the dates which I want. You see, first 14th January 2021, it's been listed there, and 15th January listed there, 29th October here. So you see that it's very simple that we can extract a simple data, that we can extract some data from a single cell where is also a bunch of other data present. So it's pretty simple using flash fill. So now let's move on to our final example. So what is the final example is that we want complete email along with domain name. So we have usernames in this column. So what I will do, I will write only first email address, FIDRES@abc.com. let's see, we have a domain name like this, and if I press Ctrl plus E, so you see Excel learned that I wanted this pattern. So in this tutorial we have learned that flash fill in MS Excel is a pretty simple feature in Microsoft Excel that has been hidden. We often don't use it in our day-to-day data cleansing. If we start using it, it will make our life easier. I am very hopeful that you have liked this video. If you have liked this, then please share it as well. Next time around, we will meet with another formula in Microsoft Excel with another amazing feature. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.